Hello friends, today I am going to make stir fried tofu with mushrooms, capsicum, carrots, broccoli and onions. Right? So the things that are needed are 3 green chilies, onions. This tofu has been diced and been marinating in soy sauce, chili powder and masala powder for the past 8 to 10 hours. Okay, freshly cut mushrooms, diced capsicum, diced carrots, cut broccoli, some curry leaves and 3 green chilies. Okay, and this also has diced or mashed up garlic in it. Okay, this is tofu marinating in garlic, chili powder, soy sauce and masala powder. It can be garam masala or any other meat masala that you want. So let's begin. So friends, as always, we take a very heavy pot and start heating it on low flame. I'll be using some oil, some salt and some ginger garlic paste which I have not taken out yet. So to the hot pan I have added sesame oil. Okay, and to this I am going to add sesame, little bit, just a little bit. Just like mustard, it is starting to crackle, right? And anise, that's all, just a little bit of anise. And immediately to this I am going to add onions. Once I have added the onions, I can relax a little bit because the temperature of the pan will now come down. Already it smells so good. It's amazing how just some simple ingredients can really smell good. Okay. And to this I am going to add chilies that I just now cut. What a mess. Okay. So kind of turn it around. Okay. This is going to saute. Little bit of salt as usual. Just a little bit so that it draws the moisture out of the vegetable. Can you see how much water is there in the onion? It can easily cook in the, and some of it has spilled. This water it comes from inside the onion. So next I am going to add the carrots. All this I have to be well prepared. This is all a waste of time for you guys. Next in goes capsicum. little bit of salt. Damn, it's hot. Okay, now I'm going to add the broccoli. Really hot. And this pan is hot too. So now if you think it's getting too dry, you can add a little bit of water, which I have not. Usually what I do is I add some salt to draw out the water from the vegetable. And so far I have not added anything, ginger, garlic or anything like that. Just the vegetables are cooking in steam. To this I am going to add mushrooms and ginger garlic paste. Okay? As usual, a little bit of salt. And on top of this, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. So I've added a little bit of ginger garlic paste to this. Right, and again I'm going to close it up and let it cook. I have not added even a drop of water yet. So all this water comes from the vegetables. The reason why I keep harping about it is because generally I don't know about North Indians. South Indians have a tendency to just boil the vegetables. And that's okay for a sambar or something like that, but for most other dishes, if you boil it, it tastes really awful, if I can be so rude to say it. So again I'm going to close it. And there is a reason why I took this heavy pan as a cover. I'll show you soon. So everything is cooked almost. Yeah, the mushrooms are cooked. Everything is cooked now. Right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to turn it off and allow it to cook like this, but I'm going to cover it. Right? And the reason why I chose this is because now this has already come to heat, or come up to heat rather, and I will use this to kind of saute this separately, and they will be added together at the end. Right? Because you can use, I'm sure you saw that the vegetables are soggy. So if you add the tofu to the soggy vegetable, the whole thing will become soggy. So the tofu alone, you have to stir fry separately. Or if you just did a little bit of it, you can kind of move all the veggies to one side, and I could have sauteed it on one side, but I have too many vegetables. So I need one more pan. And instead of choosing a simple lid, I chose the other pan so that I can bring this to heat free of cost. Fuel is saved. Okay, now this pan, I put it on heat and it comes to temperature so fast because already it is quite hot. To this I added maybe 5 or 7 milliliters of oil, and I'm going to just move the pan around so that it is fully coated with oil like this, right? As far as I know, oil is not too bad for me. I don't know about you, you have to find out for yourself, but I am scared of only one thing, which is sugar. Oil seems to be okay for me. So in this I am going to place the marinating tofu. So this is what is happening, folks, and it is always best that each single piece is touching the metal instead of being one on top of the other. So that way each one will cook crisp. So I'm going to let this cook on low flame. Even this is too high. Okay. For 5 minutes or 7 minutes or something like that. Meanwhile, this is also losing a lot of water vapor because now it is open. So then I'll finally have this with really spicy garlic chili sauce. I'll show you. Okay, friends. You can see that it's been kind of roasting. Turn it around and the dish is almost done. Just a matter of serving it, but it is going to remain in this pan for another 10 minutes till I go take my shower and have my food for the day. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off. This is already off, and finally I'll show you the presentation. Okay, this is the presentation. Okay, if you want, you can add some Tabasco sauce on top of it, but I think it's spicy enough. Let me check. Yeah, it's good.